Yo, what's up everybody? It's Mindful Mentors12 back with another video. We're already knee-deep in 2025, and everything's getting that futuristic AI upgrade, even the way we learn. We're talking about AI-powered study apps designed to seriously level up your academic game. Think about it. What if you could optimize your study time, personalize your learning experience, and get that extra edge in understanding tough concepts? In this video, we're diving deep into the world of AI study apps that are changing the game for students worldwide. We'll break down the coolest features, see how they actually work, and show you how these tools can become your secret weapon for academic success. Alright, let's kick things off with a classic study method, but with a serious AI twist. We've all been there, cramming with flashcards. But what if those flashcards could actually learn alongside you? That's the magic of intelligent flashcard systems like Anki and Quizlet. These apps use AI algorithms to analyze your progress, figuring out which concepts you're acing and which ones need a little more love. They track your learning speed and retention rates, then automatically adjust the frequency and order of your flashcards. This personalized approach means you're spending less time on things you already know and more time on the stuff that actually needs your attention. No more mindless repetition, just targeted review that sticks. Next up, let's talk about personalized learning platforms. These aren't just your average online courses, we're talking about platforms like Khan Academy and Coursera that utilize AI to create a learning experience specifically designed for you. Imagine this. You start a course, and instead of being thrown into the deep end, the platform uses AI to assess your current knowledge and learning style. It figures out your strengths, weaknesses, and even how you prefer to process information. From there, it tailors the lessons to match your pace, providing targeted support where you need it most. It's like having a personal tutor who can adjust the lesson plan on the fly to make sure you're truly grasping the material. Okay, let's be real. Writing essays can be a real pain. But what if you had an AI assistant in your corner, helping you craft those papers with clarity and style? That's where AI-powered writing assistants like Grammarly and ProWriting Aid come in. Think of these tools as your personal editors, working tirelessly behind the scenes to elevate your writing to the next level. As you type, they're analyzing your grammar, spelling, punctuation, and even your writing style, offering real-time suggestions and corrections. With AI on your side, you can transform from a hesitant writer to a confident wordsmith, crafting essays that are not only grammatically sound, but also engaging and impactful. We've all hit that wall where a math problem or scientific concept seems impossible to crack. But don't worry, AI-powered problem solvers like Mathway and Wolfram Alpha are here to save the day. These tools go beyond simply spitting out answers. They act as your personal tutors, guiding you through the problem-solving process step by step. Simply input the problem, and the AI will break it down, providing clear explanations for each step and highlighting the underlying concepts. This kind of personalized guidance can be a game changer, not only for solving specific problems, but also for building a deeper understanding of the subject matter itself. Learning a new language can be an incredibly rewarding experience, but it can also be a grind. Luckily, AI-powered language learning apps like Duolingo and Rosetta Stone are here to make the process more engaging, personalized, and effective than ever before. These apps leverage AI to adapt to your individual learning pace and style. They track your progress, identify your strengths and weaknesses, and adjust the difficulty level accordingly, ensuring you're constantly challenged but never overwhelmed. AI-powered pronunciation analysis provides instant feedback on your accent and fluency, helping you fine-tune your speaking skills from day one. These apps turn language learning into an immersive and interactive experience, making it easier than ever to pick up a new language and connect with people from around the world. So there you have it, guys. These AI-powered study apps are changing the game, offering a more personalized, efficient, and effective approach to learning. It's not just about boosting your grades in the short term, it's about developing the skills and learning strategies that will set you up for success in the long run. To really unlock the full potential of these tools, remember to customize your learning paths within each app. Adjust the settings to align with your coursework, exam schedules, and specific learning objectives. This is just the beginning of the AI revolution in education, so embrace these AI-powered study apps, level up your learning game, and get ready to crush it in 2025 and beyond. Don't forget to subscribe to Mindful Mentors 12 for more insights and join our community of future-ready learners.